Hello everybody, I'm Rosalia. As some of you know, I have been competing on the DIY Hero competition 2022 to get the title of DIY Hero. Besides the title, I will win $25,000 and a 2-page spread in a national magazine called Make. There are 3 ways that you can help me win. The first one is by making a daily free vote. The second one is by buying impact votes, which today's are 2 for 1. And $10 will be 20 votes for me, and you are also benefiting the American Lung Association. The third one will be share with your friends and family. I want to show you what I have been working on. I just wanted to build a piece of furniture instead of having those cabinets at the bottom. So what I did, I went ahead and bought these beautiful, gorgeous legs on Etsy, and I just built my design around these legs. Then my husband helped me to build the table, and I then chose to do a painting technique with some blues. To make it serviceable, I chose one piece of granite that I really like. It has browns and earth tones, and I chose a modern sink. Even though I don't have anything favorite in my bathroom, this wall hanging here is really special for me, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is one of my paintings that I did about 3 years ago. I already sold the painting, but I was lucky enough to have a friend of mine that took gorgeous pictures. So I had made a mural out of that painting, and as you can see, it's a gorgeous background that brings the outside in. If I win, you win. With the $25,000, I will invest in a better production of my YouTube tutorials, and you will get all the tutorials on how to make this table, how to do mural, and how to put everything in a design context together, so you can have better idea and how to adapt all these ideas to your own taste.